to my channel. So guys, today I am going to be doing an unboxing video with a company that one of my loyal gang members, she has actually been asking me to collab with this company for a while. So shout out to you, shout out to you, Constance Dunlap, because you made this possible, because I didn't even know about this company really. I wasn't even thinking about this company, but I reached out to this company and asked if they could send me some items so that I could sample, and they sent me this huge bundle of stuff to try. So shout out to you, Constance. I was sent these products for free for my review, so you guys know my opinions will be real, and these will just be my honest opinions. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it, and the only reason that I am doing a collab with this company is because Constance asked for it, and I do feel like these products may do well for me and maybe for you as well. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So judging by the title, y'all already know I reached out to Keto Chow. So I have been seeing Keto Chow on YouTube a lot, and I'm not really fond of like shakes and replacement this and replacement that, but I decided to give it a try because I thought maybe you guys might like it and I might even like it. So let me just show you guys what they sent me. So I did take it out the box and I did open it, but I didn't really look in depth of everything they sent me. So this is what they sent me, and it is a big starter flavor bundle. So yeah, Keto Chow starter flavor bundle, and it says make keto easy, ultra low carb meal replacement shake mix for nutritional ketosis. So yeah, and then it has the website on it, and then it also says as low as 0.5 grams net carb per serving. Seriously. So yeah, as you can see, the package is overflowing. So yeah, just by first appearance, I do really like the way that the product was sent to me. I think that it was very professional. I like the colors, they're bold, they're catchy, and then as far as like the serving size and the carbs and stuff, all that really catches my attention, because y'all know we want to stay as low carb as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out and put it on the floor so that I can go through it. The first thing that I do see that you get is this Keto Chow Make Keto Easy Basics of Nutritional Ketosis. It's telling you what ketosis is, how to do it, what to expect, how to succeed, and everything like that. It has their Facebook, their Instagram, their Twitter, their website, and I'll put all that on the screen so that you guys can catch them. So you guys can check them out. So yeah, I really like this book because it just lets you know what keto is, how to do keto. It gives you tips, and then on this side it has like the keto food pyramid, and just like really good tips that someone just starting keto or someone who's been doing keto for a long time might find useful. So yeah, it comes with that. And then it also comes with the how-to chow. So basically, because when I first heard of this, I was like, okay, what am I gonna have to do? How am I gonna get my fat, etc., etc.? So this card right here shows you how to chow, and it basically says add your fat. You can melt it if necessary. You add your powder, you add lukewarm water, or you can blend it, you can refrigerate it, or you can heat it. So I like that it's really versatile. You can either blend it and make it icy, you can drink it over ice, you can drink it warm or lukewarm, however you want it. So that's really versatile, because like most shakes and stuff, you want to drink them cold. Most smoothies, you want to drink them cold. So yeah, I really like that. And then I like how it has the heavy cream, the butter, and the oil, and then it has the calories per day, how many tablespoons you're supposed to use. So yeah, this is just a guide as to how to add the fat to get the benefit out of the Keto Chow. So yeah, it comes with this little card, and on the back of the card it lets you know you can go to their YouTube channel so that you can learn and see visually how to make it. So I think that that's really, really, really freaking dope, because when you're first starting keto, especially keto shakes and stuff, that's something completely different. So I think that that's really beneficial. I'm even gonna head over to the YouTube and just make sure I'm doing it right. So you got those two cards, and then they sent me so many flavors to try. So let's just look at the flavors. So the first flavor I got was vanilla, and as you can see, it's 0.4 grams of carbs, and again, it has how to make it on the back. I really like these because they seem super easy, especially for like people that work full-time like me, probably moms on the go, dads on the go. So I feel like all you would need is this, something to put it in, and water, and shake it up. So yeah, they're gluten-free, and yeah, Utah's own, made in Utah. So I really, really like that. So we got vanilla, and it has the carbs and calories on the back. So that's nice. And also each pouch is 1 serving. So this is 0.4 grams of carbs, and it's pretty full. So this is 1 serving. So we got vanilla. The next thing we have is root beer float. So I'm not fond of root beer, so I'll probably give this away to someone. And it is, yeah, root beer float, and it is a shake replacement, and you can just put it in ice water, shake it up, and you're good to go. It says this one has total net carbs is 0.63 for the root beer float, 0.63. So y'all, these are super low carb. The next one that we have is raspberry cheesecake, and that sounds good, y'all, and it's 0.5 grams of carb. So that is raspberry cheesecake. So I definitely will try this one. I will try vanilla. The next one we have is salted caramel. So yeah, salted caramel, and it's 0.5 grams as well. So that one sounds good, so I will try that one. They also sent chocolate. So chocolate, this one has the most carbs that I've seen so far, and it has 1.5 grams of carbs. But yeah, the whole pouch is 1 serving. So I think that these will make really flavorful shakes. So yeah, chocolate 1.5. And then the last pouch they sent me was natural strawberry, and as you can see, it says sweetened with monk fruit up there. And then this one, the total net carbs is 0.43. So the chocolate does have the most carbs. However, they all sound freaking delicious, aside from the root beer, because I'm not a root beer person, but I'm sure it's really good as well. And then they also sent me my blender bottle. So yeah, they sent me a Keto Chow Make Keto Easy blender bottle, which will come in handy, because all I'll have to do is pretty much pack this up, a water bottle and one of these pouches, and there's my lunch. I can add ice at work and shake it up. So yeah, I do get a blender bottle, and if you don't know what these are, they basically come with a ball on the inside, so kind of like a handheld blender. So they come with a ball on the inside. You pop it in with your water and your pouch, of course, and then you put the top back on and you shake it up, and that's how you make your shake. So I'm super excited, and I want to thank Keto Chow for sending me these products so that I could try them out. I'm super excited to do that. So I'm thinking this week I will try a couple of them out for you guys. So I wanted you guys to assist me and let me know what you guys want to see. So do you guys want to see me do a week of Keto Chow for lunch and let you guys know how I feel at the end of the week? Or do you guys just want me to do what I eat in a days and include Keto Chow? Or would you like to see me make a couple of them and then try them? So those are the 3 options. Do you guys want me to do a week of Keto Chow for lunch and come back with the update? Do you guys want me just to incorporate Keto Chow into my what I eat in a days? Or do you want me to make like 2 or 3 of them and just do like a taste test? Let me know down below, because I'm really excited to try it out. I see a lot of people using these as their lunch, and I do see that they're low in carb, and I do see how they could fill you up. So I'm super excited. I am going to definitely enjoy them. I don't know what fat I will use, because I see on here it says you can use heavy cream, you can use butter, or you can use oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, or whatever healthy oils. 9 times out of 10, I'll probably use heavy cream, because y'all know I love heavy cream. I use heavy cream in my keto coffee and everything. So that's probably what I'll use. So yeah, guys, let me know down below. Have you ever tried Keto Chow? Did you enjoy it? What's your favorite flavor? I'm like super new to this. I have no idea what to expect from Keto Chow, and I just want y'all to fill me in, because I just have absolutely no idea. So yeah, let me know. And again, look in the description box below, because I will leave the Instagram, the website, and I'll leave all the information down below so that you guys can check out Keto Chow. And on the website, you can go ahead and order this starter bundle. I'll leave the price and everything for this bundle in the description box below, because I just think it's dope they offer this so that you don't get stuck with purchasing a large amount of one flavor. You can kind of test them all. So yeah, that's pretty dope. And the last thing I want to show you guys, because I thought this was cool, at the bottom of the bag it says secret message panel says, and then it says push button. Let me try to show you guys. I think this is so funny. It says push button, receive bacon. So yeah, I just thought that was so cute. But anyway, guys, so yeah, this concludes the unboxing video. Now I need you guys' help. Let me know down below, how do you guys want me to review these for you guys? And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, since we was just talking about bacon, leave the little pig down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video, reporting live from the internet. Signing out. Deuces.